Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Arjun Rai. I have a 14 years experience in full stack development. Currently, I am working as a full stack developer in a top MNC company. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Now let's begin. In this tutorial, we are going to learn object destructuring. Before learning to object destructuring, we have to learn the object. What is object? For this, we have been used this online JavaScript compiler. Let's begin. First, we have to define the object. So we are giving the object name is test, and we have to define it in curly braces. So this is a simple object in JavaScript. It is a blank. There is no data. Right now we are going to define the data. There is test data A is equal to 1, B is equal to true, C is equal to 3.45. Sorry. So now these are the simple object. It is defined in a JavaScript. So how to access that? First, we have to give the object name dot variable name. These are the variable in the object. This is a variable A, B, C. A is variable, its value is 1. B is a boolean variable, that value is true. And C is a variable that is floating point. So now I have to access the value test.a. So now, A, B, C. Let's print out. You can see that these value are printing. So these are the variable, these are the data in the object name test. And how to access that? Object name dot variable name. So we can also define one function is there. Let's define function test print. We are defining one function test print, and curly braces, we are going to print out one variable, that is input parameter is string. So we are going to print out this string, and we have to call this function object name dot test print. As test print function is defined with parameter string, so here print out this object hello object. Now let's run again. So now this hello object is print out. So we can also define function in an object. So object in object-oriented programming, object is a blueprint for all object-oriented programming. So now let's begin to the next chapter, that is object destructuring. So now the topic is object destructuring. So what is object destructuring? First we have to First we have to know the object. So this is the object test, and there is one property name is A, and the value is 1. The similar property name is B and C, and similar the value is B value is true and C value is 4556. So now if we do extract the value one by one, let x equal to object name dot property name. Now let's y is equal to object name dot property name. Similarly, let's z equal to object name dot property name. So in this, so we can extract single property into single variable. So if first statement is test.a, we access the a property name inside the test object, and this value is assigned to x, and similar way yz is accessing the property name b and c. Let's print out console.log x comma y comma z. Now print out. So you can check that all the value is accessing using xyz. So now is there any way to do this in a single statement? Yes, we can use object destructuring procedure to do this. Let it is a syntax. Syntax is first we have to define let or where, then the curly bracket, then the object name. Right side the object name and the left side will be the property name, then variable name. So property name and variable name. So how to do that? Let x property name is a, then we have to assign x for that. Property name b, we have to assign y z. Then property name c, we can add z. Then the left right side is the object. Then click the run. That's a similar result is showing. So what is the mean? This this is a way for object destructuring. We can extract single property into single variable in this way. So it is just one line statement. We can also define what property name we can access. So let's say that we don't want to access C and B. C just only C. We can then we can run X, Y, Z. As there is no variable Z defined, we can also remove those lines. You can check that we can only access A and B. Similarly, we can also access only A, so there is no variable Y. So you can check that only A property is accessible. So in this way, you can manually choose which property you want to access. That's it. Now moving to the next topic. So in this topic, we are going to discuss about more object destructuring in depth. So now, in previous section, we have discussed how to extract the variable value into a single variable one by one using object destructuring. Now, let's say imagine we do not create any new variable. We just use this property name to create those variables. So what will be the syntax? The syntax will be that like let equal to test object name. In previous section, we have defined that property name then is to like property name, then the variable name. So this way we have done. But if the property name and the variable name is the same, then there is no need to using this syntax. So we can easily define if the property name is A, we can also creating the same name in the variable name. So what will be the definition? Then we are creating A, B, and C. So in this example, we have created three variables that is A, B, C. Those are the actual property name in the object test. So let's print out those value A, comma B, comma C. Let's run. So it is a similar value like previous section. 1, true, 23. A is assigned to 1, B is assigned to true, and C is assigned to floating point 23.45.